Oh. Oh, cut out. Stephen!
Yo!
What's happening?
What's up, guys?
Hey, yeah, Steve in the house.
On 3S.
On 3S. You got Ian over here. He's on God knows what S, but he's getting fed up with his HP. I keep braking.
He's on the roof.
Oh! Oh! Oh, nearly.
I thought I was going to get owned.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. Yep. Right, you win.
Enough now. No more. No more.
Oh, my own brake. Oh.
Planted. Hey, backflip. I think he broke it. Oh, he's killed it. He's broken it. It's got rear steer. It's got rear steering. Hey, you know what I do when I break it? Let it have it. Hey, don't fall over. Don't fall over. I don't want it to fall over. But if you do, I don't want to miss it.
Oh, yeah, it's in there.
When in doubt, air it out.
Yeah, baby.
I don't know where Pat is.
He's sleeping.
I don't know where Pat is, but Pat done a Pat. Here we go. Oh, yes, nice landing. Ah.
What happened?
Down.
Yeah, I don't need to do all of the walk.
Yes.
Good, buddy.
I've got a challenge for you. Oh, you got to hit that tree out there.
Challenge accepted.
Uh-oh. Whenever Stephen accepts a challenge, run! Oh, nearly. Oh, and it landed perfect.
That was so close.
The ECX takes a beating. Oh, and he lands it again. I think that's Steve's strongest RC.
Yeah, it's the cheapest.
Yeah, cheapest and strongest. That's crazy. Normally my motto is buy cheap, buy twice, but with this, yeah, I don't know. It takes it. Oh, body's off. Oh, body's off.
Would you like some stones?
Yes, please. Cheers, mate.
No.
Oh, that's got to have broken it. It's got to have.
It sounded horrible, didn't it?
Did it break?
No.
What happened then?
It's really hot.
Look at our British weather.
Look, I sweat on my head.
Ah, it's all shiny. ASD's got a shiny head.
Yeah.
Pat is coming. Oh! This is how you hit the tree. Oh, no, oh, it's on wheels.
That's cheating if you hit the bottom. I thought you meant the top. That's it. Oh yeah, I saw the leaf move. Oh yeah, I saw the leaf move. Use the clutch when you put it in gear. It's broken, so it's getting it. That's always worth sitting back and watching it. Yeah, it has no teeth.
Ah.
Oh, well, I'll get yours, I'll get mine.
Oh, nice one, dude. That actually lasted a while, didn't it? Oh. Ah.